Candida here, and I love these motivational kids cards. As a mom, I always want to help my kids have a good day. We try to start their day off right, but I always like to put something extra in their lunchbox just so they know that mom's thinking about them and they've got it. Kids have it hard some days. Some days school is rough, and so I just want to give my kids a little pick-me-up. So here in this card pack, there's going to be 50 cards. Now, what I love about these cards is it has the motivational saying on front, but on the back, there is room for you to write a personalized note. So this one says, "You're doing great." I can personalize it. If I know she has a spelling test that day or a math test, I can write a little note like, "You're gonna do great on that spelling test." This is a huge win. My daughter loves getting these kind of notes in her lunchbox. My son, he's too old for that, but he likes little notes as well. So sometimes I can just leave these in his laundry. This one says, "Superheroes always eat their lunch." Again, there's a little superhero. So I can find one that's not necessarily as little kiddish, but here's one. "My world is better with you in it." And I might use this one, and I can put this one in my son's laundry. Just something to make him smile, let him know I'm thinking about him and that I love him. So this has been a huge parenting win for me. It's a way to let my kids know that I'm thinking of them and just give them extra encouragement. I know as a mom, sometimes in my day, I need extra encouragement, so I want to make sure I'm giving that to my children. So I hope you found this review helpful.